Day 1 at the serial killer. OMG, what was that? Maybe it's not the serial killer. She goes in and check it. What the hell? I just turned this off. Then why did it turn it on? I only lock all the doors. And the windows. Sorry guys, there's no windows. Like, I see a lot of windows there and I'm just really scared. It's okay. Is it okay if you don't say that? OMG, I'm literally gonna die. I miss my parents. OMG, I forgot to turn it off. Oh my god, I need to turn it off. Sorry on my background because there was a baby. It's so cute. OMG, I hate this place so much. I'm sorry. I need to call my best friend.
Ye.
What's the problem?
Ye.
I'm still sleeping.
Magpa kasin si Uncle Ye 100. Kol, anjing.
Help.
Naga kay day. Kajut lang ko daw, kajut lang.
OMG, really?
Ah.
He tells you everything.
Ah. Kol, maka daw kol banato ko la.
I'm really so scared. Yes, see you there. There's your best friend. What was the harsh? Okay. What?
Pagkasin si Uncle anjing 100 lang.
Oh, it's already morning. Okay, let's go.
Sige, sige na. Ugan mana to na ko pa. Mana na ko to
Let's
kan.
go.
Timplan na.
Hey, need something. Let's go.
Ay, ginang tayo mangulit na. Ate, pika sa dito sa mutulog na. Kaya ang
Ang muli nga sa'yo, bagay kayo. Ito ba ho?
Hatay dito. Sunod.
Napos na Uncle din, lutit.
Ha?
Napos na Uncle anjing, lutit.
Wala pa ko yung loading, di lang.
Wala,
Oh,
abre.
I need to go to buy some snacks. Okay, let's go. The green?
Sa ganyan yung number call? Diyos ko, tamtaps.
Oh, no. If you wanna do it, you get off. Somebody said so. She's sleeping. Yeah. Just go to this.
Uy,
Ay, te! Ako ni Toto!
ang.
Ay, para siyang gamot. Ano? Follow for part
Ayun, ayun, ayun.
3.
Na, grabe
May
na yun.
part 2.